Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee. I got a new product release for y'all, the TMG Safe. Now this is built on my man Cody's trailer here, but we will build it on casters as well. Put it on a trailer, we'll put it on your back porch, we'll put it wherever you want. But we'll check it out here. Now this is all 1/4 inch plate steel construction. It's kind of more of a vertical cabinet smoker here. So it comes standard with 4 sliding trays in here. We can add more trays. Right now you got 7 inches between each one, so you got a lot of height in there. You've got a water pan / drip pan here. So this will slide out, you can empty it out, catch all the drippings. You can actually pull the drip pan out and just have more direct heat fire coming up in there. We did have 130 pounds of pork, 60 pounds of chicken on this thing, and still had a lot more room to go, so it does hold a lot. Almost 4,000 square inches of cook space with just the 4 racks. And then down here, your firebox. You see we've got a removable fire grate in there, and in the bottom we've got an ash pan. So that'll pull out, dump your ash out. And we were really happy with how this thing cooked. Easy to run. Really just an all-around badass cooker. So guys, that is the TMG Safe. So hey, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.